Are you looking for best gutter cleaning tools? You've come to the right place and latest model. In this video, we'll be discussing the top 5 best gutter cleaning tools on the market today. So, without further ado, let's get started with the list. List number: Natasha Roof Gutter Cleaning Tool. The Natasha Roof Gutter Cleaning Tool is a great tool for helping you clean your gutters, whether you are cleaning one gutter or an entire roof with multiple gutters. Ergonomic design allows you to clean more areas in your roofing gutters while moving your ladder much less. It's made of premium grade materials with high toughness, not easily deformation, good wear resistance, and durable. The Natasha Roof Gutter Cleaning Tool is made of premium material with high toughness and a 1/4 inches standard universal thread design at the interface. Effectively expand your cleaning area while reducing your ladder movement. Save your cleaning time and energy. 16+. Designed for easy use, lightweight and portable. Suction cups on extension pole to hold refuse under gutters. The rubber pad at the bottom allows for better grip and less slipping. Powerful suction cup base that can be attached to most extendable poles or fasteners. List number: GutterSense Gutter Cleaning Tool. GutterSense Commercial Gutter Cleaning Tool is the tool you need to clean out gutter area. Not only it will eliminate climbing or moving ladders, it is also lightweight and able to reach up to second-story gutters. The special 14-inch grasping part will help you clean under gutter supports easily. Simply replace the nozzle with either a 14-inch hose or 60-degree angle and let it work for you on your next project. This gutter cleaning tool provides a safe, easy, and effective way to clean your gutters without putting yourself or others in harm's way. It features a unique design that allows it to reach up to second-story gutters, eliminating the need for ladders or other equipment. With a lightweight, durable build and 14 inches grasp, you can clean effortlessly any time of the year. Made from plastic that doesn't rust and is dishwasher safe, the GutterSense will last for years to come. List number: Roof Gutter Cleaning Tool. Roof Gutter Cleaning Tool provides powerful cleaning power to clean under your roof gutters, skylights, and crawl spaces. This tool includes a special hook that removes debris via the use of suction to pull down leaves and particles. The tool has a wide base, allowing visibility when placed next to existing gutters. The shovel can attaches to most extension poles. It can effectively expand your cleaning area. Save your cleaning time and energy. The gutter cleaning tool is a flexible leaf rake that's perfect for cleaning the roof gutters and skylights at your home, office, or business. Our manufacturers are professional cleaners who know all about gutters and how they were designed to work in order to get rid of water and debris. At their facility, they make all kinds of useful products to help keep your gutters clean and running properly. List more: Debris Gutter Cleaning Tool. The Debris Gutter Cleaning Tool has a spherical shield head and flow direction slot gap to prevent leaves and needles from clogging the downspout. This strainer also prevents debris clogging your gutter, keeping the water flow free. Use this gutter guard to collect any debris or service items that are left over when cleaning. The strainer can be used with holes up to 2.6 inches in diameter, making it suitable for most standard downspouts. It's also one of the most beautiful gutter guard strainer in appearance. Made from 304 stainless steel and designed to last over 10 years, the Debris Gutter Cleaning Tool is the most useful gutter cleanout tool to clean the debris in your eaves. This design works well for needles. Spherical shield head, flow direction slot gap make leaves stop around, dirty and needles go into the tube. List number: 6-pack replacement Lance Gutter Cleaning Tools. This set of 6 PC's gutter cleaning tools are designed for professionals. The extension wand is 15-inch, so you can connect the power washer according to your needs. Some of the nozzles have different modes and spray patterns. You'll be able to use many different sprays with these attachments. Come with 7 PC's 1/4 quick connect nozzle tips for many different uses. Red one, 0 degree. Yellow one, 15 degree. Green one, 25 degree. White one, 40 degree. Black one, 65 degree. And 2 PC's tips with rinse and soap mode. This is a professional quality tool aftermarket attachment suitable for cleaning gutter, car, or van rims. 7. Pressure washer tips with holder. Convenient and fast. Can meet your different cleaning needs. Working pressure is up to 4,000 psi. The 1/4 inch quick disconnect pivot coupler allows you to rotate 45-degree and 90-degree at one direction, providing a 360-degree value angle, and also making it easy to get those hard-to-reach areas.